The sun is supernova. Which is more powerful? The sun, our life-giving star, dominates the solar system with its immense energy, fueling all life on Earth. But when compared to a supernova, the universe's most violent and energetic explosion, how does it hold up? In this ultimate comparison, we'll explore which is truly more powerful. Round 1. Energy output. The sun emits around 3.8 times 10 to the 26th watts of energy every second. That's equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs exploding per second. This energy sustains life, drives weather patterns, and powers solar technology. It achieves this through nuclear fusion, converting hydrogen into helium deep in its core at temperatures reaching 15 million degrees Celsius. A supernova, on the other hand, releases more energy in a few seconds than the sun will emit in its entire 10 billion year lifespan. The typical supernova explosion produces around 10 to the 44th joules of energy, equivalent to the sun's total energy output over 10 billion years, unleashed in mere seconds. This blast is so bright, it can outshine an entire galaxy. While the sun is powerful, a supernova is on an entirely different scale. It wins this round with an unmatched energy burst. Round 2, explosiveness and destructive force. The sun is incredibly stable. While it undergoes occasional solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs, that can disrupt satellites and power grids, it remains relatively calm for a star. Its life cycle spans billions of years, allowing life on Earth to flourish. A supernova represents the most extreme explosion in space. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, its core collapses, triggering an explosion that releases as much energy as the sun has emitted over billions of years in an instant. The shock wave from a supernova can rip apart entire star systems, leaving behind neutron stars or black holes. The sun cannot compare to the explosive power of a supernova. A supernova is the true destroyer of worlds. Round 3. Lifespan and longevity. The sun is a middle-aged, main-sequence star with an expected total lifespan of about 10 billion years. Right now, it's about 4.6 billion years old, meaning it has about 5 billion more years before it expands into a red giant and eventually becomes a white dwarf. Massive stars that go supernova live fast and die young. A star needs to be at least 8 to 10 times more massive than the sun to go supernova. These stars burn their fuel quickly and explode in a cosmic blaze of glory, lasting only a few million years. A supernova burns brightly but dies quickly, while the sun provides a stable energy source for billions of years. Round 4. Impact on the universe. The sun's gravity keeps the entire solar system in balance. Its light supports life on Earth, and its energy drives climate systems. It also protects us from cosmic radiation through its heliosphere. A supernova reshapes galaxies. It triggers the formation of new stars by scattering heavy elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, the building blocks of planets and life itself. However, if a supernova occurs too close, within 50 to 100 light years of Earth, it could strip away Earth's ozone layer, leading to mass extinctions. While the sun is essential for life, a supernova is a universal sculptor, responsible for creating elements and shaping the cosmos. Round 5. What would happen if they collided? While the sun and a supernova exist on entirely different timelines, let's imagine a scenario where the sun encounters the shock wave of a nearby supernova. The intense radiation would heat the sun's outer layers, possibly increasing solar activity. The solar system could be disrupted by high-energy particles, damaging satellites and Earth's atmosphere. If the supernova were close enough, it could strip away the sun's outer layers, hastening its death. Final verdict? Which is more powerful? So, while the sun is the lifeline of our solar system, a supernova is the true cosmic juggernaut. Next time you look at the sky, remember that every atom in your body was once forged in the heart of a star and scattered by a supernova. What do you think? Should we worry about a nearby supernova? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic space comparisons. Galaxy Sparkles.